Hey folks, welcome. Stephen from the Gold Coast Art School. We're continuing our exploration of colours. We've been going through these. Now we're going to try something a little bit more difficult. Scary, scary purple and scary, scary pinky purple. This particular double primary system that we use gets 95% of all colours. One thing it possibly can't quite reach are these intense purples and pinks. So we're going to use the crimson, which I've got some here. Put that down there. There's way too much warmth in it, so I'm going to take a bit of blue. This is ultramarine blue. Bluer. I'm going to add some more. Now it's getting towards that one, but I'll go back to the red and add a bit of white to it. Way too much white. Ooh. We'll go back to our basic colours here, which was the red, crimson red, and the ultramarine blue, which gives us purpley red. Add that to that. We're sort of getting there, but it looks dull, it looks grey. This means we're going to have to use a special colour called Quinacridone Rose. So I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm going to start with Quinny. So put the red down. Now you can see already, compared to that, this is already just a bit colder. I'm going to put a bit of blue in there as well. Wow, that's an intense purple. Chuck some white into that. And so we got a purple there. As usual, I went too far, so we stick some more red and purple together in there. Red and rose together. It's too blue. More rose is required. Whack it in there. That's overcooked it again. Oh, we're having fun with this one. So we're going in with the white. Now we're back to a nice pretty pink. Getting close. All right, so I'll try that. Colour's nice, it's too dark, and I know it'll be too red for there. Yes, it is.
Yeah, let's have a little look.
Too dark on the pink version and too red on the blue version. So we're just going to add blue to get that one right, and we're going to add white to that one. Okay, so we'll start with the top one. Don't want to put too much. It was too much. Bit more rose, bit more blue. So I'm really trying to get the right colour to go in there, because I put too much red in it. Nick some blue from there. Oh no.
Oh no, we're going backwards.
Got to lighten it first. Add a bit of the red that we put in before. That doesn't look remotely right, does it? But sometimes it doesn't look right here, but it does there. Just a whisker too much. Little bit too much white. These really intense colours, they are really quite complex. So darkening that a tiny bit, don't know if that's enough. Bit blue, bit dark. What do you think?
Tiny, yeah, just a smidge.
We're so close.
Yeah, like on camera, that's not even
registering
up because it's so similar.
I think I'm going to run into trouble if I try and... There it is. Near enough.
Yeah. So
that's it there.
It's there?
Yep. Now to make that one, it's the same combination, I reckon. I'm going to have to make another batch. I'm running out of palette.
Oh no.
Yes. In with the Rowney Rose. Quinacridone Rose, remember that name? I'll start over here now. So this time I whack a bit of blue in there, and I'm reasonably confident that we can put more blue in. Now you can see that's clearly not enough blue. Wow, guess what I just did? I overdid it. I should listen to myself, shouldn't I? Anyway, in with the red. We're getting closer to the zone we want, but I'm going to have to add a little bit more white. I actually haven't put white in this yet. This is straight out of the tube. I'm going to chuck a tiny bit of white in there, not too much. Too much, I just put too much in. So easy to do. All right, I'm going to put some blue in. Oh, back into the dark zone. Over to the dark side. Now we're going to have to whack some white in there. Not too much this time. I think that's still too much white, isn't it? And that. See, you can see that little moon there. That's just too much white. So we've got the colours right. It is basically those two pigments. It's nothing more than that. A little bit of red, a little bit of blue. Too dark, too light. Yeah! All right, try that. Back. There we go. Got it. There it is. Ta-da! Wow, maybe the whisker is slightly too much white. That's close. Try that one.
That's pretty good, I think.
You let me get away with that?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Thank you very much for watching. You've been so patient. This has taken forever, like pulling a tooth, I know. But hey, we're there. Thank you. See you later. Bye.
Bye.